Hello everyone. Today we are here to discuss another topic which says, how do you complete your home on time? Or what is the timelines that you need to look into your home construction, which goes from start to finish? So let's start with the first thing. People kind of and underestimate the real timelines which goes into their home construction. And for this, there's going to be breaking down of each phase and understanding the realistic timelines. So now when you look at factors that you delay your home construction timelines, that is when you work on them. That is when you realize that your home construction is on time. So first thing I would still recommend is to go with a professional, because the professional can give you the pros and cons of the building right before you even start the whole process. So this is keeps you very sorted. This keeps you grounded with the realistic timelines that goes into your home construction, because I understand everybody is a little more optimistic or a little more enthusiastic, and on starting the home constructions, people are jittery. They start with everything should go on in a jiffy, but home construction needs time. You need to be patient with the soil. Soil has its own language to speak. We need to understand that, listen to how it's reacting, and take the steps which goes below the road level. So purchasing of the land is very important, because you need to see what is the proximity, what about the BTA, BBMP approvals, what about the water, electricity, and the sewage system that is being followed in that particular area. The second thing is architectural planning and designing. So, like I said, selecting the right professional is very important for your home construction, because she or he is the one who is going to guide you through the whole mundane forest and reach you in terms of handing over the product. So, yes, I understand construction is something which is very, very common these days, and everybody has a knowledge on this. But a professional help definitely is going to help you or strain out a lot of problems right in the initial level. So, get the soil testing done and then go in for a structural drawing, apply your Vastu and other preferences right in the designing level, be it 5 corner, 16 corner, and try to understand what is the basic nature of the property, what is the dimension of the property. Try to stick on to realistic measurements, and then go ahead with coming up with a practical layout for yourself. And second one is third one, when you start with your home construction, the foundation and structural work is very important. And you need to give some time for it, because what goes below the soil is cannot be redone again. Hence the excavation, the soil testing, reaching the hard strata, laying the foundation, the RCC work, the framework which is required. So Bangalore definitely has a lot of loose soil pockets. We need to understand how's your strata, what are the different soil substitutes that the builder or the promoter has used in order to fast settle it. So we need to look at all this, get in ideas about how to approach this. And once the soil is done, we need to give it some time to consolidate, because consolidation of soil, the sedimentation of soil takes a long time. It is very necessary that you sediment the soil and then go in for the further flows, so that there is no settlement further on the concrete level. Right, then when you get into your roofing or your walls, your external finishes, how your curing should be done. Your usually your concrete curing takes about 7 days, your roofing takes about 15 days, your wall curing takes about 7 days, plastering say takes about 7 days. So what are the different ways that you have taken to insulate your house, your waterproof your house? How is the roof design? Does it carry some kind of an element with it? Is it slope? Does it come with a filler roof? It is staggered. So depending on all these kind of preferences, you need to definitely sit along with your professional, be it an architect or a construction partner, who helps you right from all these issues and gives you a solution right before that. And with respect to interior work and finishings, you should be very careful, because interiors is something which is basically shown, or is the as the jacket that you wear to show that this is how the building is shaped up to. So with respect to your plumbing, your electrical wirings, You need to see how what is the quality maintained, what is the slopes achieved, how good shockproof it is. The flooring material that has to be selected has to be in shape, because the flooring is something which determines the whole house in terms of its stability. The painting it definitely gives an aesthetic look. Some people would like to go in for false ceiling, some people would refrain it, but depends on what are the kind of roof that you prefer. Fitting of fit door fittings, the window fittings, modular kitchens, interiors, wardrobes, study places, all this is a final finishes or the interior finishes that goes into your home construction after your skeletal is done. You need to be very careful in choosing the right color, the right shade, the right kind of furniture that is usable by your home people. Right. And the final inspections and handover by your construction partner is very necessary. You need to check on the leakages, seepages, the cracks, and the finishing documents and defects that is going on. We should ensure that everything is legally approved, that you have your warranties and guarantees of time, and then how the surroundings are with respect to clearing the soil, debris, and how you move in. So basically, I could say that the timelines or the delays could be avoided when you kind of work with a construction partner or a professional who could help you, who has foreseen all this, worked on them over a period of time. There's that's tried and tested, and finally you have come up with a kind of solution. So connect with us, talk to us, try and understand what really goes into the delays that is causing your home construction. It could be with respect to designing, it could be with respect to construction, the materials that you have chosen, the process that you have chosen, right? And please like, comment, and share our videos and keep watching them. Thank you very much.